Good morning, my champions. I don't hear you. Good morning. Oh, still not loud enough. Good morning. That's the spirit we're looking for, Glen Oaks. Way to go, champions, because you are champions. You come to school every day to learn and work hard, and I've been watching you these past 2 weeks, and I am so proud of your effort. Every time I go into your classrooms, you are working hard, and I love to see that. And when I ask you what you're learning, you're able to tell me what you're learning. What a great start to the school year. Welcome, parents. Thank you for coming. Let's give a hand to our parents who are here to support us. And at this time, Ms. Kim, do we have everybody here?
I don't know.
Well, maybe you need to do a sound check too. And those of you who don't know me, I am the interim principal, Principal Williams. I will be here one more week. And next week, I've heard that your new principal will be coming to visit you next week. So we're excited about that. So with that, Ms. Kim, can you warm everybody up, please?
My pleasure. All right, so things are a little different, and that's okay, because change is good. But, you know, when I did Golden Oaks and Pass, I did a thing where when I would say good, you would say morning. Do you guys remember? All right, let's see how loud we can get to send Rocky home. Are you ready? When I say good, you say morning. Good. Good. Morning. Do you guys think that was loud enough? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. One more time. Good. Good. Principal Williams, I think they're all here.
We are ready. We are all here. And thank you, boys and girls. I know it's a little uncomfortable sitting on the asphalt right now, and hopefully we'll work out something better for you. But with the new staircase and safety, we didn't want chairs being carried down the staircase. So in abundance of caution, Mr. Williams decided to have no chairs out here for those who are coming down staircases and so on for your safety. So we're going to begin our Golden Oaks ceremony with our Pledge of Allegiance. So at this time, please quietly stand up. Please remove any hats or hoods. Face the flag. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you so much, boys and girls. You may please be seated. Are you still ready? Are you still ready? Oh, that's what I want to hear. And with that, our MC, who's going to be reading the names of some of our champions for this month, our 6th grade teacher, Mr. Matthew Hummel. Let's welcome him.
Thank you, sir.
And what you will do is when you hear your name, you will come up here and get the certificate from Mr. Williams, shake my hand, shake Mrs. Kim's hand, and then you will line up in front. Parents, I know you're looking for that Kodak moment. So what will happen is you can take pictures from back there, but don't worry, you'll be able to get your close-ups. When we finish the ceremony, we'll get close-up photos. And you'll even get one with me, and it'll be the only picture with the interim principal. So that's exciting. So with that, Mr. Hummel.
Good morning, everybody. What an intro. All right, we are going to start with Miss Mann's TK class. And from Miss Mann's TK class, we have Jaden Batista. Come on up. From Miss G's kindergarten class, we have Emma Sandoval. From Miss Sanchez's kindergarten class, we have Charlie Heidecker. From Miss Skywalker's SAI kindergarten class, we have Max Zamora. From Miss Young's first grade class, we have Gus Klein. From Mrs. West's first grade class, we have Kate Badalian. From Miss Arnson's class, first and second grade split, we have Sophia Abadi. From Miss Lau and Miss Yee's class, second grade, we have Narek Kandilian. Right. From Mrs. Sue Parker's class. Wow, what a cheering section. From Mrs. Sue Parker's class, we have Jacob Castro. All right, on to third grade. From Mr. Glandian's third grade class, we have Lucy Yanokian. From Mrs. Main's third grade class, we have Oswaldo Espinal Amaya. And finally, third grade, from Miss Tia's class, we have Aurora Villarreal. All right, everyone, can we have one more round of applause for our TK through third grade recipients? All right, Golden Oak winners, you can go back to your seats. Now on to 4th through 6th grade. All right, from Miss Gregorian's 4th grade class, we have Christopher Akopian. Nice glasses. From Miss Sondergaard's 4th grade class, we have Narek Rahanian. From Mr. Ames's 5th grade class, we have Angel Matthew. From Miss Sparks' 5th grade class, Natalie Irapetian. Sorry if it's Natalie or Natalie. From Mr. Saichi's class, we have Talar Bakdoyan. She's coming. All right, Talar's our first 6th grader. Let's move on to 6th grade. From Mr. Hamo's 6th grade class, we have Nara Teroganisi. And from Miss Nichols' 6th grade class, we have Kalel Salvador. And finally, from Miss Roberts' class, we have Jocelyn Antonio. Is Jocelyn here? Congratulations, Jocelyn. Miss Kim? Play with the principal? I'm shipping to you.
What?
Play with the principal? I'm shipping to you.
No.
No? Are we doing this? Yeah. All right. 4th through 6th graders.
They're not all.
After our amazing cameraman is done.
I'm just going to go Christopher.
All right, 4th through 6th graders, you can go back. And before I go, can everyone give Mr. Hermigino a big round of applause? He's our cameraman here today. Thank you, Mr. Hermigino. All right, on to Miss Kim.
Yes. All right. So the next, can you hear me? If 3rd grade can hear me, say what? Thank you. All right. The next announcements will be for Play with the Principal. I don't have everybody, but I'm going to call the names. You come up. Or maybe I just call the names. I don't think they come up. I don't think you come up. I think you just call the names. All right. For in kindergarten, Oliver Kellum. In Miss Young's class, Abby Maxfield. In West, Axel Peterson. In Arnston, James Dyer. Sorry, excuse me. In Lao Yi, Adriana T. All right. Down in Glandian, it's Leon A. Yeah. In Mainz, it's Jonah C. In Tio, it's Nash M. All right, 4th grade. In Miss Sondergaard's class, it's Mila A. In Ames's, it's Rosanna C. In Sparks, it's Liana D. In Mr. Hamel's class, it's Christopher A. And in Miss Roberts, it's Jonas T. So you guys will hear an announcement. I'm sure the principal will announce something, and then you will go play with him on the day of his choosing. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, here we go. Here's our PTA president. Let's hear it for our PTA president.
All right, I have a question for the kids. Who here likes the science fair? All right, I have another question for you. Who is excited for the book fair this year? And what about Art Week? Anybody here an artist? All right, parents, so if you haven't signed up for PTA, PTA supports all those amazing programs. So we have a table here. It's only $10 to sign up. You can sign your student up, your whole family, and all that money goes to support all these amazing programs that your kids love and enjoy. We also have spirit gear, so we encourage the kids to wear their spirit gear on Golden Oaks and on Fridays. So we have a table set up. So thank you for your support. And we have coffee too. We have a coffee cart, free coffee. So come and enjoy. Thank you.
You need to say?
I'll do quick, yeah, very quick.
Okay.
Very quick. This is awesome. This is awesome, you guys, that we have a Golden Oak back in person. I'm Johanna Maska. I'm Hugh's mom, and I'm here on behalf of the foundation. The school foundation is actually all of our foundation. You have seen new programs this year already. Mr. Adrian Hawthorne is our new music teacher. You have 3 projects you're going to get to do in art, and we have an exciting opportunity for families if your children want to learn American Sign Language on Wednesdays. So we expect a lot more. We would love parents to get involved in our meeting. Next meeting is September 7th. You all will also be excited to be invited to a Rocky hometown fair, Rocky Palooza. So October 27th. You guys, we are so excited for this awesome year. Give it up for your principal.
Thank you, PTA and our foundation. Schools do not run on their own. So, boys and girls, we need you here. We need our absolute wonderful teachers that you have and an outstanding staff that takes care of your school each and every day. But of course, behind that, we have our parents, and how symbolic is that? They're right behind us, supporting us all the way through our journey through school. So I wish all of you a great year. Again, I have one more week and I'm looking forward to spending it with you. But before I go, I hear there's a special way to end this ceremony. Miss Kim, can you lead us in that?
I can. So as we know, Rocky's getting ready to go to bed. But before he can go to bed, we have to send him there, right? And you guys remember how we send him there? All right. So as always, Glen Oak students, don't just fly. Thank you. Thank you. Rocky is on his way.
And we are soaring. Students, please look to your teachers. And those students are award winners. You may remain behind for photographs. Thank you so much.